What's going on, guys? And and welcome back to Drop Top Performance. You might, now you're all bashful. You don't want to be on camera. He was trying to make fun of me behind the scenes. So you might be wondering, Cody, what happened to the Texas 2K performance that you promised? Well, what you see had happened was...
FL2K.
Did I say Texas 2K?
You did.
See, I'm an idiot. FL2K, which would be in Florida, where we live. Texas 2K is in Texas, where we don't live. Anyways, let me show you what happened. Yeah, so things went boom and broke, and then had to push the heavy girl off the trailer. As you can imagine, after spending countless hours, I think it was like $4,000 or $5,000 getting ready for this race, to go out and testing the day before FL2K even started, that hurt. Hurt my ego, hurt my wallet, hurt my motivation. It is currently December 2nd. So a couple months, almost 2 months. And I finally, quit crying, took the tit out of my mouth, and decided to come outside and jack the car up. Not off, because that would be wrong. So I'm pretty sure either the input shaft or output shaft have deleted themselves. So I went ahead and drained the trans fluid last night, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crawl underneath here. I'm going to go ahead and start dropping the drive shaft and pull the drive shaft out. I have a feeling that when I go to pull the drive shaft out, pieces of the output shaft are going to come with it. So, because it's pretty loose. Actually, let me just crawl under the car and show you. Get my super neat Milwaukee flashlight thing, and I'll bring you underneath here with me. All right. So, if you can see, this is the underside of the car. This is a stock T56 PST drive shaft, and a track prepped by Wade Rich. It dead hooked, as you can tell, and it went from first gear to neutral very quickly. So let me see if you guys can see this, how much it's wiggling. I don't know if you guys can see or hear that, but I'm pretty sure that's not good. So that's what I believe is the problem. So I'm gonna pull this drive shaft here in a second with my lovely assistant and best friend who just moved down here from Utah. Say hello. He's gonna be big part of the channel. So he's gonna be my lovely little assistant, minus the lingerie, because that would make things weird, and this would be a completely different type of YouTube channel if that was the case. So let me know in the comments below, do you think that I should keep it manual and break more manual parts, or go automatic? Right now, I'm leaning towards an automatic just because I want consistent times, and I don't quite have manual money, but I do want to hear your guys' opinion. So let me crawl back underneath here, get this drive shaft pulled, and see what we can't find. I'm gonna have to pull this out. Hi, Bubba. Mama. I'm Dada. My name's Dada. Same nowadays.
Dada.
Good job. All right. Brace yourself, because something's gonna come out probably. It is not coming out smoothly, which is not a good sign. Do you hear parts moving?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you're gonna want to back up because it's probably about to leak some fluid on you.
Aston, come here.
I think the output shaft's coming with it. Oh shit!
Ooh.
Are you recording this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
I found my problem.
Cheaper fix?
No, it is not a cheaper fix, honey.
More expensive?
I annihilated. Yeah, you see this whole thing right here? This should not be twisted in half. That be the problem. I did an output shaft delete kit on this thing is what happened. Well, boys and girls, I can't really tell how good or bad that footage was, but I'm pretty sure that's the problem. Pretty sure that's not supposed to be busted off like that. So that there is what kept me from competing in FL2K. So, oh my god, dude, it freaking sure did spun that thing right in half. I done pretzeled it. I'm gonna go ahead and thank Wade for this, even though it's entirely my fault for thinking that a stock T56 would hold up to that track and the amount of power. So yeah, now we need to pull the trans and go about that, because pretty sure I'm gonna have to rebuild the entire transmission on this one. Sick, dude. What do you think about that?
It's sick. You done went and broke it, didn't it?
I did broke it. I broke it real good.
You broke it in my nose.
So, all right, Q. All right, guys. So it's been a little while since that video has actually been filmed. So I didn't ever film a closeout. I don't exactly know what happened. However, work was done, things were sold, and progress was made. So I kind of want to catch you up on that before we end this video. I believe that was in December. It's January now. I took a little bit of time to spend with the family and everything like that, and plus I kind of lost the motivation. Just, you know, excuses, whatever. So anyways, so I'm gonna kind of go over what we've done this far and what we have decided to do. I sat down with Rick Prospero, mentor, you know, good guy, blah, blah, blah. He kind of told me, he's like, hey, look, man, I know you want to stick with the 5 or the 6-speed stuff, but you know, let's think about cost and all that, and what you actually want to do with this car. I do want to run a 850 with this car. That is kind of like the goal now, and be able to do the drag and drive events. So he's like, get rid of the 6-speed and go ahead and swap to a turbo 400. Him and I, well, more so him, I'm just going to be there and trying to learn. It's going to build hopefully a 1500 horse capable 1500 horse capable turbo 400. Wow, words are hard. So that's where we're at right now with the car. I sold the transmission with the broken output shaft. As you guys could see, I got $400 for that, so that goes into a transmission fund. And then I sold the clutch, which was practically brand new. I believe it was $800 I got for the clutch. I mean, the clutch really had like 4 passes on it and maybe 200 break-in miles, if that. So it had no scoring or anything crazy. So now it is currently sitting here waiting to get stuff done. So I'm going to order a cross member, start ordering pieces and parts for the Turbo 400. And so unfortunately the car is just kind of sitting here on stands, just waiting to be touched. So, yep. It's pretty sad when you look at it, but what are you gonna do? Got a giant hole here. I kind of want to retrofab the center console to use the precision shifter that I'm going to buy off of Rick. I'm not really sure where I'm going to do it. I don't know if I should do it from the mount where the existing shifter boot was, or use it where the actual emergency brake goes. So if you look here, it's a little dirty over here.
I could mount it here, but I think if I cut out this lining, the precision shifter would actually fit perfectly right here, and it's kind of more comfortable where I have to sit in the car. So I'm thinking that might be the route that I take. Again, I don't know anything until it comes time to mock everything up. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on this thing, because I've been doing a lot of charger content lately. I'm trying to be more consistent, trying to take this stuff more seriously, because I have reached 3,000 subscribers, and all of you guys that have watched, thank you. It's amazing to me that anybody would sit down and watch my content other than family and friends that I pretty much force them to do. But guys, it's been pretty awesome, and look forward to getting this thing back on the road here pretty soon, because as my son gets older, the interest of cars kind of is getting more and more prevalent. So I want to be able to take him around and cruise in this thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, check you later.